Hello and welcome to my channel. Myself Malkari Santhosh. How are you guys? Hope you are doing fine. Today I came up with very important concept in automation testing. So where every tester should be aware of this. Okay, before diving to it, I have made some videos on Java programs for the interview preparation of automation testing. Kindly go to it, so it will be very helpful to you while attending the interviews. And also, I had made one technical challenges before, which is transform database data to Pojo class. So it is also very important technical challenge which everyone will face while working in the project level. Before diving into the session, if you have watched my videos and if you have liked, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification once I have released the video. And also like and share the videos to your friends and colleagues and share the knowledge to them also. So without wasting the time, let's start our session. In today's video, I'm gonna explain you how to extract the Excel data using Java programming. Excel plays a very important role in any software application because the data which is injected to the application will be stored in database or in Excel or any third-party thing. The significance of Excel here is the data is managed in columns and rows. As a software tester, we need to be aware of how Excel exactly works and how to manage the data in Excel. And as an automation tester, you also need to be aware of how to extract these Excel data and use in your automation. So we are going to now extract this data using Apache POI API, which is a third-party API. And we are also using some collections framework here as part of Java to extract this data. Okay, let's start this. Before performing the actual implementation, I'm going to show you some theoretical analysis where I can achieve this practically. So I have designed some presentation for you. So let me start the presentation. So I have taken the list of players data in columns and rows. So I am considering the first row as a header row because it consists of the columns of headers. And we have the subsequent row 1 and row 2. In each row we will be having the player records and we are having 4 columns here. The column 1 is player name, column 2 is country name, column 3 number of centuries, column 4 is highest score. Now we have the set of data here. Now we need to use this data. How can we extract this data exactly? So here we can use hash map. Okay, so the reason I am using hash map here because it has key value pair. Okay, what exactly we can do with key value pair here? Okay, so here key I can consider it as a header row cell value. Okay, the header row cell value is, this is the first cell which is the player name. Okay, and the next string value which is a value I can consider it as a current cell value. Okay, the current cell is nothing but a row 1 which is Virat Kohli. Okay, now if I use it as key value pair for header row and current cell value, let's see how will be the iteration of hash map. Okay, the iteration of hash map will be looks like this. Okay, the key will be the player name and the value will be the current cell value which is Virat Kohli. Okay, the same will be applicable for each and every column. So the headers will be the column common for each iteration, but the values keep on changing based on the rows. Okay, if you see the second iteration will be having the same keys with the header values, but the values gets changed as per the rows. Okay, we need to iterate each and every time to achieve this. So once you got the hash map with key value pair, now I am going to store this hash map in the list. Okay, the reason I am storing it in the list because so we can store as many rows as we have in Excel. For suppose we have 10 records, 10 rows in Excel. Okay, I am using the list to iterate each and every cycle and we store each and every cycle into hash map. Okay, so if I store the first index of list, that will be consisting of the first records of the first row with header rays and column cells. That will be the list iteration 1. And in the second iteration I will be having the second set of list which is the second row of the player name. That will be my second iteration. This list will be continued till the end of the records. Okay, if my records having 10, then the list will continue up to 10 records. Okay, this is how we will be achieving, and we will be storing the excel data into hash map, then into list. So to make this video simple, so I have divided this session into three parts. So in the first part, we have learned the theoretical knowledge on how to extract data using Apache POI API and also collection framework. So in the coming sessions, we're gonna explain the implementation, how we have achieved it using Apache POI APIs and Java programming. So the videos looks interesting. Try to follow up till the entire session. Okay. Hope you all liked the video. Thanks for your interest, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.